Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news the global manufacturing sector is in good shape. Overnight, a set of factory PMIs for October were released worldwide and were generally reporting improved economic activity. The widely watched US ISM one reported strongly expanding conditions, little change from September. But they aren't yet reporting any easing of pricing and supply chain pressures. That was matched by the internationally benchmarked market version, although this one recorded a small pullback from the very healthy conditions driven by production constraints. New order levels were very strong. In Hong Kong, economic activity disappointed in the third quarter of 2021, turning in a limp result and well below the expected result. The second quarter of 2021 shrank and the bounce back was expected in the third quarter, but what they got was a stall. The Chinese Caixin PMI was a bit more positive than the retreating official one, suggesting things are not completely dire in their private manufacturing sector there. And the October PMI for Japan was positive, with a moderate expansion and better than for September. For India, it was similar. It was also a similar story for Taiwan, Thailand, Indonesia and Malaysia. But South Korea's factory expansion slipped back a bit. In commodity markets, the Baltic Dry index is signalling that the period of strong demand for cargo ships may be over. And related, global wheat volumes may be declining, and that is causing a surge in the price for this staple food, now back to a 10-year high. And the Aussie property market continued to rise in October, but the rate of growth has slowed dramatically since the start of the year as a lack of affordability, less government stimulus, and more listings hit the market. The compiler of this data says things may turn lower soon. The US Treasury 10-year yield opens today at 1.57% and up 1 basis point overnight, and the price of gold will start today at $1,791. At this level, it's recovered $7 from this time yesterday. And oil prices are little changed, but softish, at just under $83.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price now just under $84.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today just over 71.9 US cents and a slight firming overnight. Against the Australian dollar, we're marginally firmer too at 95.5 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're unchanged at 62.1 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today firmer at just under 75.5. But still well up over the top of the 72 to 74 range of the past 11 months and moving to resetting this range. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.